Listen, I know what you're thinking right now. Another dude on the internet claiming they're making thousands of dollars a day, right? But here's the thing. I had my first $1,000 day when I was 21 years old. And by the time I hit 22, I was pulling in up to $2,600 in profit in a single day selling high-ticket consulting. So if you're sitting there wondering if you should listen to me or click off this video, understand I've actually done this. I've been exactly where you are, broke and frustrated. I grew up in the lower middle class, and I was wondering how the hell anyone actually made this work. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I use AI to scale this business to the point where $1,000 days aren't lucky days anymore. They're just regular Tuesdays. The online business game has completely changed in the last year, and most people have no idea. They're still out here grinding like it's 2015, manually writing every piece of content, spending hours on tasks that AI can do in 60 seconds, or even worse, trying to get rich quick with outdated business models like dropshipping or good old affiliate marketing. And that's exactly why they're stuck. You're not going to be one of those people, because I'm about to break down the exact system I use to leverage AI in every part of my business. None of this is theory. This is what I do every single day to hit $1,000 and beyond, while most people are still trying to figure out how to get their first sale. And there's nothing wrong with that. We've all been there. So here's what you need to understand. The core of this entire model is selling high-ticket consulting or services. We're talking $1,000 to $10,000 transactions. This isn't about selling $15 ebooks or running some dropshipping store with razor-thin margins. High ticket is where the real money is because you need way fewer clients to hit your income goals. But here's where it gets really interesting. AI makes running a high-ticket business 10 times faster and easier than it used to be. You don't need a massive team anymore. You don't need to hire 5 people to handle your content, your copywriting, your lead generation, your client delivery. AI does the heavy lifting for you. So you position yourself as the person who solves a valuable problem. Maybe you help people lose weight. Maybe you help them grow their business. Maybe you help them land high-paying jobs. Whatever it is, you're the authority. But behind the scenes, AI is your secret weapon. It's helping you build your funnels, write your emails. I use it all the time for that. Create your client resources and generate your content. The leverage this gives you is insane because you can scale to consistent $1,000 days with almost no overhead and way fewer headaches than the old way of doing business. You can even do this as a solopreneur from the comfort of your home, which is literally unprecedented in the history of humanity. Most people don't realize that. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Let me break down exactly how this works, starting with the biggest problem most people face when they're trying to build an online business. Content creation and lead generation. This is where 99% of people get stuck. They know they need to start posting content to attract clients and build trust, but they don't know what to say. They run out of ideas after 2 weeks, or they spend 6 hours writing one single piece of content, and then they're too burnt out to be consistent. This is the bottleneck that kills most businesses before they even get started. AI removes that bottleneck completely. You can literally use it to script entire YouTube videos in 10 minutes. You can generate weeks worth of tweets or Instagram posts in one sitting. You can batch months of content in a single afternoon. But here's the key that most people miss. You can't just blindly copy and paste what AI gives you and call it a day. That's where people screw this up. AI gives you the draft, the structure, the ideas, but you have to inject your personality into it. You bring the voice, the authority, the unique perspective. That's what makes people actually want to follow you and buy from you. Otherwise, let's face it, you're just another random guy or girl spitting out some badly written ChatGPT content, and trust me, we don't need more of those. So here's how I do it. I will literally sit down with AI and a cup of tea and say, hey, give me 10 video ideas about the topic I want my video to be about. And it's going to spit out dozens of ideas in seconds. Then I pick the best one and I say, okay, now you're going to write me an outline for this video based on the specific criteria I have. Boom, that's done. Then I take the outline and I write the script and I add my own words, my own stories, my own energy, and then I record the video. So as you can see, the AI literally did 80% of the work, but the final product still sounds like me, and that's how you stay consistent without burning out. If you're consistently posting free, valuable content on social media and running retargeting ads, meaning ads to people who've seen your content before, by now, you should be getting a consistent flow of inbound leads for pretty cheap. The big advantage of content and retargeting ads is that these are people who are already seeing you as an expert before you ever talk to them. They already like you and trust you. They've watched your videos, read your posts, consumed tons of content from you. So by the time they book a call with you, they're already halfway sold. That's the power of using AI to stay consistent with high quality content. Now let's talk about your funnel. Your funnel is the system that takes a complete stranger and turns them into a paying client. In the old days, you'd have to hire a copywriter for thousands of dollars to write your landing page. You'd have to spend weeks figuring out your email sequences. You'd have to manually follow up with every single lead. It was slow, expensive, and also exhausting. But now, your funnel can be mostly automated using AI. AI tools can literally write your entire landing page copy. They can generate video scripts for your video sales letters. They can create follow-up email sequences that actually sound natural and human. You can even set up chatbot assistants that qualify leads before they ever talk to you. These bots can answer frequently asked questions, figure out if someone's a good fit, and then book them straight onto your calendar. That alone saves you hours every single week. Here's what this looks like in practice. Someone sees your content on social media. They click the link in your bio. They land on a page that was written by AI but edited by you to sound perfect. They watch a video where you explain exactly how you can help them. They enter their email, their phone number to learn more, and then they get a series of automated emails that build trust and handle objections. If they have questions, the chatbot answers them instantly. And when they're ready, they book a call with you. All of that happens automatically while you're sleeping, working out, or literally serving other clients. Once your funnel is dialed in, you're not manually chasing clients anymore. You're not spending your whole days in the DMs trying to convince people to work with you. AI is handling the front-end traffic and nurturing the process, and all you gotta do is to just focus on taking sales calls and delivering results to your clients. This is how you scale way past $10,000 a month, all the way to $100,000 a month without losing your mind. Now, let's talk about the sales and delivery side, because this is where AI really becomes your unfair advantage. Before a sales call, you can use AI to research your prospect if it's a B2B setting. You can pull information about their business, their pain points, their goals. So you show up to the call looking like you did hours of homework when it took you 5 minutes. After the call, you can use AI to summarize the conversation, pull out key action items, and create a personalized proposal on the spot. You look extremely professional and organized, when in reality, you're just using the right tools. On the delivery side, AI is a game changer. Let's say you're selling a coaching program. You can use AI to write all your training materials, build lesson outlines, even generate worksheets and resources for your clients. If you need virtual assets, AI can create those too. You can even use AI to analyze client data and track their progress so you can give them better feedback. Instead of spending 20 hours a week creating content for your program, you only spend 4 hours and AI handles the rest because it helps you do everything quicker. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Now, here's the thing people don't understand. AI isn't replacing you. It's amplifying your input. You look like you have an entire team behind you, when in reality, it's mostly automated. That efficiency is what allows you to handle way more clients without sacrificing quality. And that's how you hit consistent $1,000 days. You get more clients, higher profit margins, while spending less time per client, but still giving them awesome results. It's simple math really, but most people are still doing everything manually like it's 2010. So let me tie this all together for you. Here's the simple system I've used to make over $1,000 a day in profit using the help of AI. Step 1. You pick a high-ticket offer that solves a painful problem. Something people will pay $1,000 to $10,000 to fix. Step 2. You use AI to create tons of high-quality content that attracts leads in your niche. Only make content for the people you want as customers. Step 3. You run those leads through an AI-assisted funnel, so it's just a regular funnel really, The goal of that funnel is to book them on calls automatically. Step 4, you close them on those calls. And finally, you help your client to get the result they want. You deliver the service or the consulting. And because you use AI, every part of the business becomes faster, leaner, and more scalable. 99% of people are either scared of AI or they're using it completely wrong. They're treating it like it's a magic button that's going to do everything for them. Or, like me a few years back, they're ignoring it completely because they think it's going to steal their job. But if you actually understand how to plug AI into every step of your business, it becomes the ultimate multiplier for both your time and your profit. This is not about replacing the human element. People still buy from people they feel like they know, like, and trust. Someone who understands their problems. Someone who's got authority. That should be you. But AI helps you to operate at a level that used to require a team of like 10 people full time. You can create more, sell more, and deliver more without burning out or hiring a ton of employees when you can't even afford it yet. So if you're serious about hitting $1,000 days, stop doing everything the hard way. Stop spending hours on tasks that the AI can do in minutes. Use AI to create content outlines and scripts, help you build your funnels, research your prospects, systemize your delivery. The people who figure this out right now are going to dominate the next 5 years while everyone else is still stuck in the old way of doing business. I'm living proof this works. I went from my first $1,000 day at 21 to consistent multi-$1,000 days at 22. And AI is a massive part of why I've been able to scale so fast without 50 fucking employees. You can copy this exact system. You can start using AI in your business today. And if you do it right, you'll look back in 6 months from now, wondering why you didn't start sooner. If you'd like me to help you build a profitable online business, starting from scratch, selling high-ticket consulting or services, check out the free training I made for you in the description below. And you can also apply to book a call with me or a member of my team. We'll help you implement everything step by step. Now be quick, we have very limited spots. With that being said, I will see you on the other side.